Muthenya wa Ramithi maitho mothe merekeire igoti-inĩ inene rĩa Milimani, mucirithania Cecilia Githua akiruta itua cira-inĩ wa njũragano ya Sharon Otieno, uria mwikuirwo munene ni uria wari gavana wa Migori Okoth Obado, hamwe na muteithia wake Michael Oyamo na Caspar Obiero. Agitamburukia uira wothe cira-inĩ uyu, mucirithania Githua augite ona gutuika uira nduonanitie imwe kwa imwe ekwirwo aya mari haria giko giki giatabanĩirio, ciiko ciao ni ciathĩrĩirie ni mari na mubango wa kugera ngero iyo.
According to the evidence of PW1, her death was severe. The cause of her death was severe hemorrhage due to penetrating force trauma with features of manual strangulation. Given this evidence, which was not contested, it is my finding that the prosecution has proved beyond reasonable doubt that the deceased death was not caused by natural causes, and it was not as a result of an accident or inadvertence. I do not therefore have any hesitation in finding that Sharon's death was unlawful.
Gukorwo gavana Obado etikirite ni mari na ndugu ya wendo na Sharon na atio na matiganite, ni ari na mubango wa kumuteithia hamwe na mwana wa uria akuite, akira igoti ndari na gitumi gia kwenda kumuraga ni undu igoti riteaneirie.
Under the doctrine of common intention, criminal liability does not depend on who physically commits the actus reus, but whether the accused acted in concert with others to execute an unlawful purpose.
Mwikuirwo wa keri Michael Oyamo nake igoti riugite wira wake kwiyeherania na giko giki wari na mahoro, na ati gukorwo ni onekete ni ekite maundu ta kugeria kuhitha itemi riake githiururi-ini giki ta kugura raini ya thimu na kibandi kiene ni undu uronania ni atanyaga gwika undu utagiriire.
He also admitted that he acquired this line for exclusive communication between him, the deceased PW9 and PW8. But he continued using his regular Safaricom and Airtel lines to communicate with every other person.
Oro uguo noguo igoti riteanire wira wa mwikuirwo wa gatatu wa kugeria kwihatura thitango-ini cia njuragano ino. Gukiri uguo mucirithania Githua agitua ati igoti ni rionete hatari na nganja ekwirwo othe atatu mena mahitia ma kuraga Sharon.
I consequently find each accused person guilty of the offense of murder, contrary to Section 203 of the Penal Code, as charged in Count 1. Each accused is accordingly convicted under Section 322 of the Criminal Procedure Code.
Kumana na itua riri ekwirwo aya atatu macokete Kenya thutha wa igoti gukanja bodi yao iria iramahete wiyathi wa guikara nja riria cira uyu urathiaga na mbere. Mwaka umwe iri nginyagia 8 nirio ihinda riria family ya mutigaire Sharon Otieno ikoretwo yetereire kuona kihoto kia mwana wao undu uria ukinyanĩire muthenya wa umuthi, na kumanagia na haha ekwirwo anene cira-ini uyu matongoretio ni uria wari gavana Okoth Obado magithie rumande igoti riugite nirikuheana mwerekera wa gutuirwo kwao thikũ-inĩ 21 ciroka. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma igoti-inĩ ria Milimani, Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.